I'm Amber-Nichole, and I'm with Amber's Mobile Notary with this week's Notary Nuggets. And I'm going over the misconceptions about what notaries actually do and some questions that I get asked on a weekly basis. So let's deep dive into those. Who's hungry? I know I am. All right. So one of the questions that I get asked is, can I notarize documents? Notaries don't actually notarize documents. We notarize signature on the document. So I have to verify that the signer is who they say they are, checking IDs, their signature, all of that great jazz. They also understand what they're signing and that there's no coercion, that they're signing under their own free will. I'm often asked, can I notarize foreign documents? As long as, again, the questions that I just mentioned and the answers before match, then yes. Can I communicate with that client in English because I don't speak any other languages? Yes, I can do it because I will go through the document, make sure that scan through it, that there's no blanks or, anything that's not filled out in its entirety. Then I can notarize the signature of my client that's signing the document. I also get asked, like, for instance, they have a family member and they've lost their inability to sign, for a disability or what have you. Maybe they've got arthritis and they're no longer able to sign for whatever reason. There are, as notaries, the state of California has some procedures that are in place that we can definitely still get it notarized. For instance, there's what's called a signature by mark. It does take a little bit more time. We will need a couple more people to do it to authenticate, yes, they saw this person and whatnot, sign the document. That is, in fact, maybe an X or however, that is what their signature looks like now. That is something that we can do. I often get asked, can I provide power of attorneys for clients or the actual paperwork for the client? I am not a practicing attorney or a paralegal or a legal doc prep, so no, I am not able to. However, once they have those documents, I can print it for them, sure, no problem, but I can't legally, provide that document to them. And here's a good one. Can I certify a birth certificate or death certificate? No, you have to go to your vital records office or go online. The form that you request those, I can notarize. That I can do. But to actually say that your birth certificate or your death certificate is a true copy and whatnot, that has to come from the vital records office for California. Let's see. Fees. Okay. So California notary fee is $15 per signature across the board. So whether you're in NorCal, whether you're in SoCal, it doesn't matter. It's $15 per signature. Plus, if you're a mobile notary like me, you can charge a travel fee. That travel fee is going to be contingent upon what time of day am I going to be stuck in traffic, how long the appointment is going to be, are we dealing with multiple signers, that type of thing. Am I going to be sitting in traffic all day? That kind of thing takes into account. However, there are some flat fees, such as like if I'm doing a set of loan documents, whether it's a refinance, if it's a purchase, if it's the seller side, if it's, commercial, those are all flat fees across the board. Same thing with estate planning documents. Those are usually a flat fee, whether it's one party that's signing or if it's a two-party, how many grant deeds are included in their estate planning and documents. Those are pretty flat fee. I often get asked, can I visit jails and detention centers? The answer is yes. Those are a little bit more pricey just because of the amount of waiting time that needs to be done and going through security. Once I get back there, I'm still waiting for them to bring the inmate to the signing, and that's like if another attorney or whatnot isn't already taking up the room. But please call me and I can walk you through on what that even looks like. So yeah, that's like what I often get asked all the time. I would love to know what questions you may have for me. And then on next week's Notary Nuggets, I can address those and see where we go from there. But this is my way of educating you guys on what notaries actually do, at least for me. And I would love to know what your thoughts are. So thanks so much for tuning in and see you next time. Bye, guys.